Hi everybody! I hope you enjoyed creating your Victorian villain and that it's given you lots and lots of ideas for drama and conflict and danger that you could put into your story. Let's think about your main character again. Now your main character is going to create a time capsule. So they're going to get some items that will really sum up their life, maybe 5 or 6 items. They're going to put them inside a box or inside some kind of container to bury for future generations to find. Perhaps they're running from your villain that you've created. What would they put in to sum up their lives entirely? Think about the time they live in, think about what kind of things might be really, really important to them. And you can either draw this time capsule or you can write a description, a list of what goes into the time capsule. Anything you like. It's just to really give you a good idea of your character and what's important to them, what items will really sum up their life and be of significance to them. Good luck with that. Happy time capsuling. Bye.